Just for today. Or for now.
But it's the same old English, just that it sounds different.
Sorry? Put
That's
that
what.
thing down now. Let's
Okay,
see
okay,
my
all right, all right, all right.
more fun.
Okay, I'm about to make a toast to my wife, and this toast is in recognition of her steadfast fidelity, her love, her commitment, devotion, her tolerance, her patience.
Tolerance, right?
Yeah,
That's a good one.
her patience to ensuring that I mounted up to be the man that she had anticipated. And most people think that when you bear these titles as pastors, bishops, psychologists, whatever titles you have, it makes you different. No, you're just a man, a human being. You still need to cultivate attributes and attitudes, behavioral, that will essentially generate and stimulate the relationship that you have with your wife and your husband, vice versa. And I just want to make a toast to you, my love. Let you know that your husband appreciates you and cherishes you all these years. You've been a very serious inspiration to my life. I was, I don't know what I would have been without you. Very seriously. So to long life and our continued love for each other
Forever, Lord.
forever. She will have her share too. So after we're done this, because somebody told me we don't hear your wife talk. Some crazy person, well,
Really?
sorry to say crazy, but on Facebook, you always talk about your wife, but we don't hear her talk. I said, well, you don't go on my wife's Facebook page
Your wife doesn't have a Facebook page
anymore. So, but yes.
You just lick your finger.
Yes, she said I just licked my finger. The butter, one of my finger. I don't think there's anything wrong with me licking my finger. Yeah, you see, she's trying to reprimand me right in the. I'm gonna lick it again. Yeah, you're okay. Your turn.
To our loving marriage. My husband has been a very good husband. Showing me so much love. And it's been 21 years now. But it's like the first day when we met each other. And it was like love at first sight. And since then, he has been like a father to me, my best friend, my brother, especially my best friend. We share everything with each other, and we never get tired of being around each other. We don't even have, like people would say, I want my space, I need my space. No. My life is not fulfilled when he's not around. My life is not any fun when he's not around. So I thank God for giving me such a loving, caring, that's the word, caring husband. He spoils me so much, and I appreciate him, our marriage, and everything that he does for me. I just want to thank God. I couldn't trade him for nothing else or no one else. He's the best husband, and I just love him. And he said he didn't know what his life would have been without me. And I just say the same and even double. I don't know what my life would have been without my loving, caring husband. He cherishes me so much. It's beyond explaining. And we just share a bond. We just share true love. That's what you need in a marriage. True love from one another. And that's what we share all these years. And each time we are together, it's like it's the first time we met and we are just meeting each other. We never grow tired of each other.
No, not at all.
So, love it. I love you. And I will always do.
Oh, thank you so much.
Always do. Thank God and thank you for our forever love.
Thank you.
As we enjoy this evening together, so just a toast to the success of our marriage. Thank you. And our love.
I love you too. So, but it took the picture when you did?
I guess. You didn't see the flash?
No. I mean, normally when it's on the video, then it flashes.
But it's the camera icon, right?
Yeah. But you click on it.
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Sure did. You want to cut your hair?
Oh, you cut the head off?
No.
Okay. Then you can pause, press the red, do the same thing, and then you pause.